Mhlonishwa Second.
Siyabonga Honorable Speaker. Lokuhle umhlonishwa Muvasi okukhulumile bonke. Kwami ke kukhumbuta abahlonishwa sibuya etinkundleni la sakhethwa khona abantu. Basikhetha ukuthi simane sibabukele kusebenza kwahulumende. Kubhlunge Mr Speaker ngoba siyathi ukuthi kuleli live lesiphila kilo lethu simaSwati about 65 to 70% of labantu labaphilako baphila under below the poverty line. Lokusho ukuthi abakhoni kona lokuya kule pharmaceuticals bahlonishwa. Nanganibuta nje bahlonishwa, most of you here can attest to the fact that every now and then nimikisa abantu esibhedlela, which is supposed to be done by ministry through ama-ambulances la khona a leave, but you find that ekugcineni bamikiswa ngini phinde kube ngini lele nithenga le mithi bahlonishwa. Kungaba mgcokwa-ke bahlonishwa lokho ukuthi sibahlonishwa labahloniphekile bendlu yesi-12 yakangwane simane sibonele leluntu lemakhaya lelidinga le support yethu. Kwethu-ke bahlonishwa kwekuthi simeke sure ukuthi sizame ukukhumbuta uhulumende lokuthi asebende akhumbule lesive. Now umhlonishwa Muva ukhuluma wayibeka ngathi lento yendeka Mbabane Government Hospital bahlonishwa. Kwendeka everywhere. Mina lemhlambanyathi boMankayane where I normally send people labangicelile. Recently nje kukhona lebenga yoteta bamthatha bamisa eMankayane. Nawufika eMankayane bathi kude labangamshita ngakho waphindze wabuya eMbabane. Now imagine lo muntu usemotweni nayo le moto akusi ambulance lefuna ngayo yamhambisa. Sonke lesikhathi lesingaka kule ndlela yonke ebahlonishwa akusibeki kahle silive, akusibeki kahle kulamaswati. Kunetingqinamba ke letinengi letinye sotibalile umhlonishwa. Bengingacela lokuthi i-ministry ingasinika nje detailed timeline ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi le mithi itaba khona nini, naloko ukuthi ke phela silive asibonakale silethe ama-solutions or singile parliament yes-12 asilethe ama-solutions than lokuhlalela kukhiphe ama-statements langasiwo. Ama-solutions kayasida ngoba nathi siba ready to act, siphinde simele ukuthi noma ngabe kuvelani sitawukhona kukuncoba anytime, but le misinformation ibese iyasibulala bahlonishwa. Ngaloko ukuthi ekugcineni siyaye sethembe sihlale sikani vele kude lokutawendeka. Now some of lama problems la khona so wabalile umhlonishwa. Imagine uye esibhedlela ulimele ungakhona ukuthola ngisho libhandishi. Yena lo nurse angakhona ke yena nalokuthi akhone nje kukubamba ngoba ufuna afake ama gloves phela before abambe ingadi yakho. Naye angeke akhona ukusebenza because kude nje ema surgical gloves. So yabona ke lokho ukuthi kunenkinga bahlonishwa. Ledinga ukuthi siyicorrecte thina singilendlu yesi-12 sisite lamaswati lasikhetha. Siphinde sisite ke nelive ngoba silana nje sibuka ema-interest live siwabeke embili before la ethu. Kungaba kucela ke bahlonishwa ukuthi sibambiseni kule motion ne-ministry ke ngiyicele lokho ukuthi phela such motions aketi kuto crucify or to nail ministers. Lama motions are a cause for concern ukuthi sitshengise ministry ukuthi kunema problems. Lama problems ladinga ukusolve ngale ministry ngoba ngiyo lele mandated to do it. So singacela nje ukuthi sithi sikukwenda lokhu singendele ukuthi by the way, because at the end of the day kufuna si understand ukuthi kuphuma imiphefumulo le ngephandle yalamaswati. Lamaswati lokufanele ukuthi kube ngiwo lakha lelive lesiphila kiyo, futhi lamaswati labhadala i-tax lekungiyo iholela thina. Siyabonga Mr. Speaker.